emerges, energy emerges, and the force creates an impact and vibrates. Energy emerges and vibrates, and then it propagates at, let's say, around 700 plus miles an hour, and the sound is propagating. Now sound is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface, but sound from a three-dimensional perspective is an expanding sphere. I can never pronounce it, but expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles an hour. That's amplitude, a frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature. Intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation?